name is Axel. I work in the marketing department at Houdini. And I just wanted to tell you about the 180 sweater. It's new for this season, and it's a very minimalistic mid or outer layer padded with Primaloft. And the reason why it's called 180 is that you can reverse it. So it has one almost windproof layer, and then underneath it has one that's very air permeable. So you can switch it to adjust the temperature basically. It's made from recycled material. It's recyclable. So it's a circular product, and the water repellent is completely free from fluorocarbons. But it feels like a very versatile product. You could bring it for ski touring. You could use it in your everyday life. We like to do those sort of products that don't fit into one sort of activity, but rather have a versatile life.